I'm in Atlanta. Y'all, I'm in Atlanta. I'm kind of under the weather from my trip in Puerto Rico, but I'm here for a conference and I just got dressed. I'm heading downstairs now, so let's get the day started. Come along with me. Let me show you the OOTD. So this is the OOTD for the day. There seems to be a concert at State Farm. Long line. This bathroom is so nice. It's giving. It's giving. It's giving. I'm about to check out the hotel, spa, and steam room. I'm about to head into the sauna. Let me show you guys how it looks. Yeah, I'm about to leave the hot tub, go to my room, get ready, and leave. Like they always say, all good things must come to an end. So I'm actually about to check out from this hotel in Atlanta and I'm ahead home. I mean, there wasn't much to see or do. I was basically here for a conference and I spent the entire day yesterday attending the conference and I came late Friday night. It's Sunday. I think I'm just gonna head to the airport really soon. Last night I walked downtown a little bit and explored just right at the Centennial Park. But yeah, I mean, at least I got to say I go to Atlanta. So this hotel room was really nice, comfortable. They gave housekeeping yesterday, which was good. And now I'm going to struggle with my luggage to head out. 40 pounds. First time traveling with Frontier because I actually booked my flight last night before I went to bed. And fingers crossed because I'm not about to deal with the drama today. But yeah, if I get to post this vlog, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace. Y'all, it's raining. I'm sick and I have to be walking in the rain. But there are so many people. Apparently they're going to a game. Cowboys. I'm assuming that's Atlanta's team. I don't know. Plays this weekend.